Hello and welcome to our brainstorming page. I believe that everyone got to this point, but just in case, hopefully you went through, you gathered the ideas, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, you need to go to yesterday's module and work through the stuff we did yesterday so that you know what to do today. We're building on that information. So today we're taking your protagonist, antagonist, your setting and your conflict, and we're putting it in the plot line. Now, you did have some time yesterday to work on this, but it's okay if you didn't finish it. Today, what we want you to do is you are going to use all of the information you pulled and you are making your plot line. Now, my advice for you, and let me kind of mark it on here, is to start off with, I would do this, our introduction, and our inciting incident. Those are going to be my first two things I work on. The inciting incident, that's our conflict, okay? Then the next thing I would do is I would write down what the conclusion is, okay? Because if I know how my story starts and I know how my story ends, it's a little easier to do everything else. After I do my conclusion, the next thing I would work on is my climax. Remember, climax is also known as the turning point. It's the turning point in our story when things start to change. We had our problem, but this climax is when, it's starting to shift in the right direction. After that, then I would do my rising action fifth, and finally, I would do my falling action. Rising action and falling action, those two are ones that you're just kind of filling in the blanks. What's missing in between? Put in some details, make it work. So once you fill in your plot line, now you need to start working on your rough draft. Go ahead and work on it in your journal. Do the best you can, and I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Goal would be, if you're writing it on paper, I'd want it to be around a page, maybe a little bit more. This is going to be eventually moved all the way through to a final draft that's going to be due on Monday. So you want to make sure that you are putting a lot of time and energy into this so that it's your best work possible. So again, right now I would work on your plot line, filling it in for your story, then use that to help you write your rough draft of your short story in your journal. If you have any questions, please reach out. If you need me to explain anything again, that is totally fine. And tomorrow we will talk a little bit more about some things that we can do to help us out. All right, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'm excited to see what you write.